Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Today's video, I'm going to share plum cake or Christmas fruitcake recipe. This is an easy, eggless, non-alcoholic, no soaking plum cake recipe. It is an instant recipe where you don't need to soak the dry fruits. Every country, region and family has a different version of the recipe. For this recipe, I am using dry fruit mix or tutti frutti half cup, yellow raisin quarter cup, black raisin quarter cup. I need 1 cup of orange juice and we need quarter cup of cashews and dates chopped for later. In a saucepan, add orange juice. Add the dry fruits, tutti frutti and raisins to the juice and mix it well. And you can cook them over low heat till the fruits absorb all the liquids and become nice and plumby. You can lower the heat and cook for at least 5 minutes till the mixture thickens and the dry fruits absorb all the juices. This takes literally few minutes and makes your dry fruits as juicy as pre-soaked. This is the quick cheat version of soaking your dry fruits. No pre-soaking needed. Turn off the heat and let it come to room temperature. Heat 3/4 cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of water in a saucepan without stirring. Allow the sugar to caramelize slowly and evenly by swirling the pan. When the melted sugar has reached a dark amber color, make sure don't let it burn. You can reduce the heat and add half cup of water. First you are adding very little, mix it well and then you can add the remaining water. The sugar will harden. You can turn the heat back on and slowly heat the mixture until the sugar crystal dissolves completely. You can switch off the heat and leave the mixture and let it cool for some time. Our fruit mix is cool enough. Now you can add the chopped cashews and dates and mix it well. For the dry ingredient, all-purpose flour 1 cup, baking powder 1 teaspoon, allspice powder 2 teaspoon, baking soda half teaspoon, pinch of salt. Mix it well with a spoon and keep it aside. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit and then you can grease the cake pan with butter or cooking spray. I used 7-inch spring foam pan. You can line them with parchment paper. For the wet ingredients, I am adding half cup of yogurt to the mixing bowl, 3/4 cup of oil and give it a mix. Here, yogurt is the substitute for the egg. Add vanilla essence 1 teaspoon, milk half cup, orange zest 1 teaspoon, add caramelized sugar, add the fruit mix and give it a mix. gently fold in the dry ingredients and mix it until everything is well combined and there are no large flour pockets in the batter. Do not overmix at this stage. Mix by cut and fold method. Pour this batter into your prepared cake pan. Tap it few times to level up uniformly and remove any air bubbles. You can bake in the preheated oven 350°F for about 50 to 55 minutes or until the toothpick inserted into the cake comes out clean. I partially covered the cake with a foil halfway through the baking. This will stop browning the top fast. Cover and bake for 20 minutes. You can remove from the oven and you can top it with more dry fruits and nuts. Start checking from 45 minutes to see if the cake is done. The top will look like it's overdone, but don't worry. Make sure the inside is also completely cooked. Place the cake pan on a wire rack to cool and then turn the cake out of the pan and allow it to cool completely before slicing. Plum cake can be stored at room temperature for 3 days and refrigerated for up to 2 weeks. It tastes so delicious. I suggest you prepare this cake ahead and have it the next day. Once the fruits are soaked well in the cake, it tastes fabulous. Once it cools completely, you can slice and enjoy. Happy holidays everyone. Enjoy your holidays with your family and friends. Please try this at home and let me know your feedbacks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon back with another recipe. Bye. Take care.